All right. Well, this one says let f of t equal 2t squared plus 7t minus 4. And it wants us to find f of negative 2 and f of 5. So this notation here, f of negative 2 and f of 5, what that's telling us to do is it wants us to plug in a negative 2 in for x, and then it wants us to plug in a 5 for x. So this is what I call a plug and chug type problem. We're going to take these values, we're going to plug it into our given equation, and then we are going to simplify it. So our equation is 2t squared plus 7t minus 4. So first it wants us to find f of negative 2. So what we're going to do is we're going to plug in negative 2 in for t, and then we're going to simplify. Now, we do need to follow order of operations whenever we do simplify this, which means taking a look at the calculations that we have here, we need to start with our exponent first. That means we're doing the negative 2 times the negative 2, which is a positive 4. And I'm going to drop everything else down. Next, we're going to follow multiplication before we add or subtract. So 2 times 4 is 8, plus 7 times negative 2 is a negative 14. And then we have addition and subtraction here. So 8 plus negative 14 is a negative 6, and then negative 6 minus 4 gives us a negative 10. So that means f of negative 2 is equal to negative 10. So then we're going to turn around and we're going to do this one more time. This time we are going to plug in a 5 in for our variable. So we're going to find f of 5, so that's going to look like 2, and then instead of t, we're plugging in 5, plus 7 times t, but we're plugging in a 5, and then minus 4. Just like we did before, we're going to simplify our exponent before anything else. So that means we have 5 squared, which is 5 times 5, which is 25, and we're going to drop everything else down. We're going to multiply before we add or subtract, so 2 times 25 is a 50, plus 7 times 5 is 35. And then all we have is addition and subtraction. So according to order of operations, we can do that in order from left to right. So 50 plus 35 is an 85. And 85 minus 4 is an 81. So that means f of 5 is equal to 81. Otherwise, that's it for this video.